Hello friends, next topic in MS Word is mail merge. Mail merge is very important exam point of view. Okay, every year one question on mail merge is guaranteed. Okay, for 15 marks. Okay, we'll solve 2015 question paper. The question is XYZ Limited Company wants to send appointment letters for newly appointed employees. Okay, prepare their appointment letters using mail merge facility in MS Word 2007. Okay, so company XYZ company want to send appointment letters for newly appointed employees. Okay, so you have to prepare their appointment letters using mail merge using in MS Word 2007. First we'll try to understand what is mail merge, then see what are the steps to create mail merge. Mail merge is a useful tool that will allow you to easily produce multiple letters. Okay, by using mail merge we can produce multiple letters. You have to type the letter one time and you can create multiple letters, and also labels, envelopes, and more using information stored in a list. Okay, the address, okay, to whom we want to send. Okay, if you saved in computer or in some database or in Excel spreadsheet, okay, you can take that data. To use mail merge, select the mailing on the ribbon, select start mail merge. Okay, first you have to click mailings, then start mail merge. Okay, then you have to click letters, Okay, select start mail merge command, then choose type of document you want to create. In this example, select letters. Okay, so here many options are there. Okay, so in start mail merge you have to select letters, then click next starting document to move to step 2. Okay, select use the current document. Okay, mailings, start mail, letters. Okay, after that then select recipient, then click select recipients to move to step 3. Select recipient to move to step 3. Okay, select recipients. Okay, after clicking letters, then you have to click select recipient and click on type new list. Click on type new list. Click on type new list, then click create to create data source. The new address list dialog box appears. Okay, then click customize in the dialog box. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click on type a new list, then click create to create data source. Okay, select recipient, type a new list. Okay, then this is new address list. After that, the new address list dialog box appears. Then click customize in the dialog box. The customize address list dialog box appears. Okay, this is customize address list. Okay, so here select any field you do not need and click delete. Okay, whichever field you don't want, click delete. Okay, example company name, if you don't want, click on delete, like this. Example home phone, if you don't want, click on select and delete. Click yes to confirm that you want to delete the field. Okay, then it asks whether you want to delete or not. You have to click yes to confirm. Continue to delete any unnecessary fields. Okay, so how many fields you don't want, you just click delete. Just select and click on delete. Okay, let I show you. Okay, select recipient, type new list. Okay, then click customize columns. Okay, so whichever the field you don't want, select and delete. Example, title. If you don't want, click delete. Then it asks, are you sure you want to delete this field? Click yes. Then first name if you want, keep as it is. Last name if you want, keep as it is. Company name if you don't want, click delete. Then zip code if you don't want, or city if you don't want, click delete. Then zip code if you don't want, click delete. Okay, if you want, just keep as it is. Then country, okay, home phone, whichever you don't want, click go and delete. Then click OK. Okay, so here it displays only which are you selected the fields, which are deleted, it not displays here. Okay, these many fields you selected. Okay. Next, just save the file. Okay, after selecting, if you want to add any new field, click add. Okay, the add field dialog box appears. Then enter new field name. Okay, whichever field name if you want, you just click new field name. Then click OK. Then continue to add any fields necessary. If you want to add some more fields, click add and type the field name. Then click OK to close customize address list dialog box. Then to customize the new address list, enter necessary data in the new address list. Okay, so here go on enter the datas. If there are example 5 employees, enter 5 employee detail. Okay, after entering one record, click new entry. Okay, click new entry to enter another record. Then click close when you have entered all of your data records. Then enter the file name you want to save the data list. After entering all the data, you just to save the file. So next time you can use same address. Then enter the file name. Enter the file name you want to save the data list as. Choose the location where you want to save. In which folder if you want to save, you just select the location. Then click save. The mail merge recipients dialog box appears and display all of the data records in the list. Okay, it displays all the data records. Confirm that the data list is correct and click OK. Okay, if data list is correct, then click OK. If you want to change, you can change. Then click next to write your letter to move to step 4. Then write the letter to move to step 4. See here. So you have to click on select recipient, type new list, then click customize. So whichever the folder, whichever the field name if you don't want, click delete. Then next company name if you don't want, click delete. Then okay, then last click OK. Then whichever the fields you selected, that only displays. Okay, example Just go on, enter the values. Then if you want to enter second record, click on new entry. Then if you want to enter third record, click new entry. Okay, if you want again, you can enter the some more entries. Click new entry and you can enter fourth date. Okay, if you want to delete any record, if you want to delete any one record, just select and delete it. Okay, if you want to find any record by name or by last name, you can click find and example Asha. Okay, you can click find next. Okay, so it selects the record. Okay, we'll select John. Click find next. Okay, so it select what? This record. If you click Anil, click OK, find next. It displays, it select this record. Okay. Then customize to customize the record. Okay, whichever field you don't want, click on delete. If you want to add one more record, you can add. Example mobile number. You can add mobile number. Okay, see mobile number. Mobile number, if you want add below, click move down. Okay, if you want to move upward, if you click move upward, it go up direction. It go in up direction. Okay, if you want to keep it at last to, okay, click move down. Okay, then click OK. So one more field added here, mobile number. So you can enter the mobile number. Okay, so finally click OK. Okay, now it asks to save the file. Okay, and type the file name so that you can use the same address next time. Okay, click save. Then what? Write your letter. Okay, next okay, to insert recipient data from the list, place the insertion point in the document where you want the information to appear. Where you want to display the address, you have to click the cursor. Then the insert merge field dialog box will appear. Then select the field you want to insert in the document, then click insert. Okay, so repeat these steps each time you need to enter information from your data record. Okay, so here go to insert merge field. Okay, if you want first name, click first name. Okay, then give space, then second name, last name. Okay, then enter, then address 1, address 2, then address city, then state, zip code, country, then last mobile number. Clear, no? Okay, so after that, after writing the letter, okay, and inserting the fields, click preview your letters in the task pane once you have completed your letter. Okay, just click on preview. Just preview result. Okay, so it displays here all the names, whatever you entered, no, it displays all the data. Then complete the merge and click print to take the printout. Okay, click finish and merge. Then if you want to take printout, you can take printout, or if you want to just to display, edit individual documents, then merge records all, then click OK. Okay, see here, this is appointment letter to Anil from XYZ company. Okay, this is one letter. Okay, again next Anil Kamath, second record, second letter. Then third, okay, John Fernandez. Okay, you typed the letter only once, but it created 3 letters. If you enter the address of 10 address, so it create 10 letters. Okay, like this. Clear, no? Okay, so this is about the mail merge. Okay, thank you.